seem on target to go to the top. And it does at a very healthy time. In hot conditions of 1 minute 19.3.
That's going to take some beating.
That is a healthy time. He's just come back from the UK after we saw him on the Gold Coast, where he's done a bit of coaching work with expat Kiwi Rob Wilson. He's been spending a bit of time this year perfecting his sprint car skills, and he'll do that later in the season as well, and he used all of that skill for a great lap then. He's listening in the background, Cam. Well done, a 19.3.
Oh, awesome. I didn't know what lap time we did, and Potsy didn't tell me, so yeah, happy with the 19.3 and currently P1, but yeah, we'll see what the other guys have got for me.
Good work, mate. You're up by a third of a second, so keep your fingers crossed.
15th career Armour All pole and your 10th of the season. That puts you one in front of Will Davison in the overall pole award for this year, mate. Cracking lap.
Thank you. Yeah, needed that pole. I haven't done a clean lap all weekend, so yeah, did it just in time, obviously for the right point. I can't thank my team enough. They've given me a really nice car just then. It was a bit of a handful until then. Yeah, super pumped to be starting on the front row. I think we got a good race car, and yeah, massive pat on the back to the 55 guys for getting Randall's car out there. Just a bit of a shame they just missed it.
You're carrying the driver's eye camera for us this weekend. I noticed on the dash that you didn't have your lap predictor, and you mentioned at the end that you didn't know what lap time you did. Is that normal or something not quite go right?
Something went wrong. So usually I use that predicted lap quite a lot through my lap, but I don't know, it worked all right for me having it turned off, so I might have to change it from now on.
I was going to say, maybe that's the secret. All right, let's go forwards now. We've got 250 kilometres ahead. It's very, very hot in the sun right now. No one knows what the tyre's going to do over the race distance. What's your prediction saying about the race this afternoon?
It's going to be very hot. I think you nailed that part of it. I think there won't be a lot of deg out there, so it'll be a time trial, getting clean air, and hopefully there's a bit of passing out there. But yeah, I think being up the front will be pretty good for us.
Well done, mate. Great lap and good luck this afternoon.
Thank you. Cheers.